Hello, this is Carl from vScope's customer success team. In this video, I will show you how you can import tags from an Excel sheet into vScope. It's not uncommon to keep track of certain manual information about your assets in other tools like SharePoint, Excel, Google Drive, and etc. As for example, we keep an Excel sheet with our client asset information with stuff like owner, user department, date of purchase, and etc. Now, today I would like to add a user department for our client assets in vScope as well. So how would I go about to do this? Well, I would go to Tag Manager in vScope. I will click on Import from File, and then I can simply upload my Excel sheet with my client asset information. I click on Next, which takes me to step 2. Here I tell vScope that these are clients and I want them under the asset type all machines. Then I map the asset name with the asset in vScope. So I know that the column name in my Excel sheet matches the name column in vScope because I have already checked this out. Then I click on Next, and then I decide what column to import. In this case, it's user department, and then I add the tag in vScope. Since it doesn't already exist, I simply hit one called user department. Then I add tag. Then I click Next. Here I can see a little preview about what's to come from this import. I can see that the computer asset ISL Alex does have an issue, which I will have to look into later on. But for the others, I can just confirm my import. And that's that. Now I can easily go into a table and look up user department, see my import information.